हेलो एंड नमस्ते बच्चों। आज के इस वीडियो में हम सीखने वाले हैं होमोग्राफ्स। आपको इससे पहले बता दूं कि हमने इसके पहले होमोफोन्स सीखा है। अगर आपने यह वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में इसकी लिंक दी गई है, यहाँ से आप यह वीडियो ज़रूर देख लें। तो चलो उससे पहले मेरे चैनल को आप ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आपको लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स एंड वीडियोस मिलते रहें। तो चलो बच्चों सीखते हैं व्हाट इज़ होमोग्राफ्स एंड व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन होमोग्राफ्स एंड होमोफोन्स। होमोफोन्स, जिसे हम हिंदी में भिन्नार्थक शब्द भी कहते हैं, ऐसे शब्द जिनके उच्चारण समान किंतु स्पेलिंग और अर्थ अलग अलग होते हैं। जैसे देखिए यहाँ पर होमोफोन, अ वर्ड दैट इज़ प्रोनाउंस्ड द सेम एज अनदर वर्ड बट डिफर्स इन मीनिंग। फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर चित्र में ध्यान से देखो, सन एंड सन, स्पेलिंग इज SUN सन and another spelling is SON sun. Both sun are different. One sun is our planet and another sun is a baby. And second example is one, ONE one and WON one. Both words has a different spelling and different meaning, but the pronunciation is same. Is called homophone. Some words have same spellings but different meaning and or pronunciation. For example, let's see it with a tongue twister. The waiter wasn't close enough to close the door. Repeat it. The waiter wasn't close enough to close the door. That means here two words are the same in the spelling, in the pronunciation, but the meaning is different. First close is near and another close is to shut. These both words are showing that the same pronunciation but the meaning is different. Let's see it with another tongue twister. The bandage was wound around the wound. Here two words are the same. One wound and another wound. WOUND wound and WOUND wound. The spelling is same and the pronunciation is also same, but the meaning is different. First wound means to encircle or cover with, that is past tense of wind, and another wound is means injury, that means chot lagna. The words with same spelling but different meanings and or pronunciation are called homographs. These two words, wound and wound, are homographs. Spelling is same, pronunciation is same, but the meaning is different. So we can define homographs as words that have same spelling but can be used in different meanings and or pronunciation. For example, letter. A letter is a post or mail and a letter could be an alphabet. Another example, bow and bow. One bow means weapon and another bow means to bend the head or body. So these two words have the same pronunciation and spellings, but the meaning is totally different. So now again we can say that homographs are the words which have same pronunciation and spellings but have different meanings. Let's see it with many more examples. Ring, jewelry and sound. Fly, insect or movement. Bark, sound and covering. And right, direction, and another right means correct. So all these words show that the spelling is one. The word is one but having different meanings. So student, remember this. Words that have the same pronunciation but different meanings or spellings are called homophones. For example, see and see. And words that are spelled the same but not necessarily pronounced the same and have different meanings and origins are called homographs. For example, bat and bat. These two words show that C and C, the spelling is different but pronunciation is same. Let's see the difference between homophones and homographs. Homo means same, phone means sound. In homographs, Homo means same and graph means to write. In homophones, same pronunciation and homographs have same spelling. Homophones have different meaning or spelling. Homographs has different meaning and pronunciation. Hey student, hope you all understood the difference between homographs and homophones. Thank you for watching.